Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a topic that might sound a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry, we are going to break it down in simple and easy to understand steps. We are talking about tax-efficient investing tips for beginners. Before we jump into tips, let's quickly talk about taxes. When you earn money through investments, you might have to pay taxes on those earnings. But here's the good news. With some smart strategies, you can minimize the amount of taxes you owe, leaving you with more money in your pocket. Tip 1. Utilize tax advantages accounts. One of easiest way to save on taxes is by investing through tax advantages account like a 401k IRA or Roth IRA. These accounts offer special tax benefits that can help you investors grow faster over time by saving your taxes. Plus, they often come with additional perks like employer matching contributions or tax deductions. Tip number 2. Choose tax-efficient investments. Certain investments are more tax-friendly than others. For example, index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs, tend to be more tax-efficient because they have lower turnover, which means fewer taxable events. On the other hand, actively managed funds may generate more capital gains, leading to higher tax bills. Tip number 3. Practice tax loss harvesting. Tax loss harvesting is a fancy term for selling investments at a loss to offset gains in other areas of your portfolio. By strategically realizing losses, you can reduce your tax liability without significantly altering your investment strategy, and so on. Just be mindful of IRA's rules around wash sales, which prevent you from claiming tax loss if you buy the same or substantially identical security within 30 days. Tip number 4. Be mindful on capital gains. Capital gains tax is what you may pay when you sell an investment for more than you paid for it. To minimize capital gains taxes, consider holding onto your investments for at least a year. Investments held for longer than a year qualify for lower long-term capital gains tax rates, which can save you money in long run. Tip number 5. Stay informed and seek professional advice. Tax laws can be complex and ever-changing, so it's essential to stay informed about any updates that could affect your investments and your money. Consider consulting with tax professional or a financial advisor who can help you navigate the tax landscape and optimize your investment strategy for tax efficiently. And there you have it, folks. Tax efficient investing made simple. By following these tips and staying informed, you can keep more of your hand-earned money working for you. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to click the like, click the subscribe, click the notification bell, and see you in next video update. Bye!